So welcome and let's start with the Tailwind. So what is the Tailwind CSS? So Tailwind CSS is a powerful CSS framework that can help you create the beautiful and responsive designs quickly and easily. So the main motto of the Tailwind CSS is you have the flexibility and you can easily style your website or application. So I'm Nikhil Tadani and I will be your instructor throughout this course, and this course is designed to you by the Indian coders. So let's see about some of the features about the Tailwind CSS. So Tailwind CSS follows the utility first approach. So this follows a utility first approach, which means that it provides a wide range of utility classes that you can use to style your HTML elements. And these classes are named based upon their values and their properties, like the text line centers. So it makes very easy to understand that how they work. And let's see the second feature, which is very customizable. So Tailwind CSS is highly customizable and you can configure the framework to include only the utility classes that you need. So it will help you to smaller the bundle size as well. So you will only be applying some styles that you need with the Tailwind CSS and nothing else will be added to your bundle. And let's see the third feature, which is the responsive design. So the Tailwind CSS makes it easy to create the responsive designs using the breakpoint system. And you may know about the breakpoint systems as we define in other frameworks as well, like the Bootstrap, Material UI. So we have the breakpoints according to the screen sizes, like for the small devices, for the medium screen sizes, for the large and the extra large devices. So you can add different classes for different screen sizes to ensure that your design looks good on all of the screen sizes. And another feature with the Tailwind is it's very easy to learn. And some people say that it is very hard to learn because you need to know and you need to be a professional inside the CSS, but they are wrong because the Tailwind CSS is very easy to learn, especially if you are just familiar with the HTML and CSS, and no professional CSS knowledge is required. Just a basic syntaxes and basic knowledge of the CSS is required with using the Tailwind. And since it uses the utility classes instead of the custom CSS rules, so you do not need to be an expert in the CSS to use it effectively. And even if you are stuck somewhere, so Tailwind has a huge community support as other frameworks do, so it would be very easy to implement and use. So this is all about the Tailwind CSS in the introduction section.